one of the errors that you see with generative AI applications or with the AI engineers is once you give them the field to start working, they just go ahead and start building. Here is the database, here is the vector search that we're going to do, and they start building. And I think this is not the right way to go about it because first you need to start choosing the generative layer, which is the model. And how you do this, you can just go ahead and take a console and start chatting with your model and bring in the context manually. So for example, instead of you going ahead and creating the query that may not be relevant, you can just go ahead and write a prompt to your model on the console and then sending it the information that you deem uh, relevant, and then you check the response. Once you are happy about the response, then you are sure that you built something, you built a prompt or you built a logic when you're talking about an agentic approach. Once you do that, then at this moment, the information that you brought manually, the context that you brought manually, you start automating it by creating queries that would query the database. And at this moment, if you are in step two, then what you did basically is you have chosen the generation layer, and then you have also you are successful when it comes to creating the context layer. And you have the two steps that are fundamental in your application.